How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 66 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. It's a true 138 VIN. Very clean, original panel car. I got this car out of Tennessee. It's had a very nice restoration done a few years back. The bumper's all been re-chromed, new moldings around the headlight bezels and the hood. The grille is original. The car's real straight, flat down the sides. Vinyl top's excellent condition. Just a very, very nice car. The taillight bezels and all the tail panel moldings are all replaced. The rear bumper was re-chromed. It's got the accessory bumper guards. Kind of a cool little option. You can see the car's real flat, straight down the sides. All the body panels fit real nice. A brand new set of Rev Classics on it, 17-inch. And it's got a period correct 396. They said it was built about 375 horse. It's got power disc brakes. Got the M21 4-speed. It's got all the factory exhaust manifolds into 2.5-inch dual flows out the back. Gorgeous car. All the jams are real nice. Got a lot of new interior. Dash has all been redone. It's got the rare wood wheel, sport wheel in it. All the seat covers been done. Original center console. It kind of bear with a little chilly out today. It's only about 29 degrees right now. All inside the trunk looks real nice. Got the old red line spare. It's got the front and rear seat belts update. The headliner's real nice, tight in it. They did all new dash trim. It's got the knee knocker tack, Hurst Competition Plus shifter, retrofit AM/FM cassette stereo. Just a super nice little car. A little bit chilly out today, guys. We had some snow on the ground. It all melted up yesterday. Backup lights and everything in it work. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.